This is the larger travel bag by COOSKY, and I mean, I can fit an entire size bottle of shampoo in here. I mean, that's how large it is. And I had so much room. There's so much room in this. It is perfect. It's great for traveling. And it's got all these little compartments. You've got like this little zipper up front too, that is completely all waterproof. Everything in here is waterproof. I'd like to thank COOSKY for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. The other thing, I look like I'm struggling with it, but it's just my hands. My thumbs are very sore. So the cool thing is you can just hang this bag. So once you get wherever you're going, just hang this guy up and everything sits right inside. I just can't believe the room. Look how roomy this is. This is so fantastic to be able to carry. Like, I will be able to fit all of my toiletries in here and not have to worry about having little size bottles if I don't have them handy. I can literally fit absolutely everything I need in this bag. And it comes with this kind of really cool handle. I actually am a rock hounding hobbyist. I was actually thinking this might be a good rock hounding bag because I could wear it this way and I would have access to everything this way. Right? That might work. That might be super cool. Anyway, thank you again, COOSKY.